Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable screen recording on iOS 18. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, if you have updated your phone to iOS 18, you may notice that the control center has some changes. However, on every phone, the front page should remain the same, and there should be a screen record button on it. As it is there, just tap on it, and after the countdown, the screen recording will start. However, if it is not there, what can we do? Open the Control Center. When the Control Center has opened, find the plus icon in the upper left corner and tap on it. After that, the Out of Control option will appear in the lower part of the screen. Tap on it. A list of options that you can add to the Control Center will open. Just scroll through them until you find the screen record icon. When you find it, tap on it and position it as you want. After that, screen recording will be possible.
So that's basically how you can enable screen recording on iOS 18.
So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.